right? So now your goal has actually become similar to social media influencer goals, ranking, like how many people follow you, what kind of platform do you have? That's not a purpose in life. That's just a rank,
Okay.
right? And I'll say this to especially the younger followers. I have some really cool friends that are not in the Islamic space, they're in the business world, they're in government, other spaces, right? One of the most important lessons I learned from those guys is there's two kinds of people that work for something, go-getters, right? There's two kinds. There's the rank people and there's the growth people. I want you to just remember that. Rank people and growth people. Rank people means, man, I got to get this degree because then people will say I got this degree. I have the rank of having a degree. Or I want to become a doctor because my brother's a dentist and I'm going to be a heart surgeon. Now I can say, ha, this is about rank. They had their shadi in this hall. We're going to have our shadi in that hall. We'll have a higher rank, right? Oh, this guy got this many followers. When I become a speaker, I'm going to have that many followers. Rank. This is people that live by rank. Your degree, your credentials, your job, your business, your car, everything is about a rank. But there's another kind of person who says, you know what, everything I'm doing because I want to grow. I don't care where I rank. I don't care if people see me or don't see me. I just want to learn. I just want to grow. I want to enhance myself. I want to better myself. I've met people that I met young men that were maybe 10 years younger than me. I was 35 at the time. I'm 45 now, but I was 35 at the time. I met 25-year-olds wearing like a raggedy T-shirt, the old pair of jeans, and I met this young man at a entrepreneurship conference.
Okay.
And he gets up there, I started this website. I'm not going to tell you the website because then people know who it is. But he's like a Muslim guy, right? He comes up to me, I watched so many of your videos. The animation was so cool, this, that. We just chat, whatever. He gets up, he gives a talk. I started my company, sold it when I was 19, and then I launched this new venture. He's worth $250 million.
That's it?
Yeah, he's just wearing a T-shirt. You know what? Because he's not... And he drove a regular car. He didn't drive like a Ferrari. He could have flown in on a helicopter, for God's sake, right?
Yeah.
But that's because he doesn't have rank mindset.
Right.
He's not thinking about, let me show you what I got. I don't have to wear a brand watch. I don't have to do this. I don't have to, put the chain on, whatever, because I don't care about that stuff. I just wanted to accomplish something in this space, and I did, right? And if you didn't know that the guy's $250 million worth, you would think this guy's just some loser kid that just came to, you know what I'm saying? And then you see people that make their first 100,000 and they act like Firaun has landed, right? Right? And I've seen that in the world. I've seen growth people and I've seen rank people. And growth people are miserable and they make people around them miserable and they are the problem with the world. That's what rank people are. And growth people are like, they're incredible.
Yeah.
They have it's not an ego contest for them. Like, let me give you an example in the Islamic space now. Okay, so in Islamic space, what's the difference between a growth person and a rank person? A rank person sees somebody give a speech, right, and says, I don't like that. People really like that speech, man. How am I going to do better than that? Okay. Like, I'm supposed to be the next speaker. How am I going to top that? So he's already comparing himself. Because rank is all about what? Comparison. A growth person says, that was pretty amazing. I need to learn more from this person because what they have to offer, I can benefit from. And I have no shame in admitting that they know something I don't know. And I can benefit from them.